Good morning children, how are you all? I'm sure you are doing great and I hope you are being good kids and helping people around you. Today we are going to learn about a very important topic. It's about safety rules. It's very important to know these rules as they can save us from getting hurt. Staying away from danger is called safety. It's the state of being safe. There are many ways in which you can be injured or harmed if you are not careful. We should always try our best to live safely by following all of the safety rules. The safety rules should be followed at home, at school, on the road. Actually, they should be followed everywhere. Let's learn about them today. Safety at home. We should be careful at home. Do not play with things like scissors, blades, knives, switches and wires, medicines, matchsticks, or fire. These could be extremely harmful for us. For example, if you play with scissors, you might get cut, and playing with fire is dangerous. You may burn yourself or your house may even catch fire. Do not touch electrical equipments like switches and wires, especially with wet hands. Also, do not touch electrical appliances like hot iron, oven, toasters, or electrical fans. It may give you an electrical shock. Do not go near the stove and touch the hot pans and boiling water. You may hurt yourself. Keep your toys, bags, and shoes and other items in place. You or anyone else could fall over down. Be careful, never open the door for strangers. They may harm you. While most people are good, there are some people who are not and do not keep kids safe. Don't be tempted by people you don't know. Now, we learned some safety tips for school and outside. Always throw the waste in the dustbin. Littering by throwing waste here and there pollutes the land and makes you unsafe. It poses a big health threat to animals and humans. We should always walk in a queue. Wait for your turn and do not push anyone. Do not ever leave your school or go anywhere with a stranger. Do not eat anything given to you by a stranger. It may be harmful for you. Remember to inform your teacher or security guard if you see anyone suspicious. Be careful on stairs. Do not run or jump on the stairs. You may hurt yourself or others. When you are on the playground, always wait for your turn on the swings. Be careful of glass pieces or sharp objects lying around the ground as you may get seriously injured. Now let's learn some safety rules that we should follow on the road. We should not run or play on the road. Do not run after a ball or a balloon on the road. There are many moving vehicles, so it is very dangerous. Be careful while walking on the road. We should always walk on the footpath. Always be with an adult to cross the road. Look to your right, then look to your left. After then, cross the road. Now, let's learn about something very important. First aid. Students, even when we carefully follow the safety rules, we may sometimes get hurt. If someone else is injured, we should help them. The help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor is called first aid. The purpose of first aid is to minimize the injury. If someone is injured, then in case of wounds and cuts, clean it properly and then use an antiseptic lotion. If an adult is there, then ask for their help. If it's a major accident and no one is around, immediately dial the emergency number. Now it's time to learn something which is most important. Good touch and bad touch. Friends, when your mother gives you a hug or your father gives you a good night kiss, it makes you feel happy, comfortable and safe. It is good touch. But sometimes when a person touches you and you get an uncomfortable feeling, it's bad touch. It's also a bad touch when someone touches you and tells you not to tell anyone. If you feel uneasy with someone's touch, run away from there and tell your parents or teachers about them. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Lastly, I would like to say, be careful, be brave, Your safety is in your own hands. Please drop a like, leave a comment, share the videos and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, thank you and Allah Hafiz.